For over 2 decades, we built a special life on our little half-acre. Organic gardens, a healthy home, days guided by the sun and the soil. We thought we'd stay forever. For 22 years, we poured ourselves into this little slice of nature. Late summer evenings, digging roots and planting dreams. We built a life, one harvest, one home-cooked meal, and one lesson at a time. But now we're leaving it all behind. Sometimes the world changes around you. The quiet gives way to noise. The harmony of the birds and frogs replaced by engines and exhaust. And you realize it's time to find your peace again. Today is the day we're breaking ground and starting new, cutting the path to our new life. I often wonder, are we getting too old? Will I be well enough? Do we have enough time? 32 acres of raw potential, land that breeds freedom, land that craves stewardship. We're planting a sustainable food forest here, a living, breathing ecosystem designed to nourish both the land and the people for generations to come. Where fruit trees, herbs, and native plants will grow in natural partnership with the native surroundings. It's not going to be easy. This land is wild, and the path ahead is unknown. We're dedicating 13 acres to a nature reserve, a space where nature can remain wild and free, a sanctuary for nature to thrive, because it isn't just about us. It's about giving back to the land that still remembers how to whisper. It's exciting, it's challenging, and yes, it's hard to walk away from everything we cultivated by hand and heart. But every lesson we learned there, we will carry here. We're building for the soil, for the water, for the birds that sing at dawn, and for a community that we haven't met yet. We'll be looking for the right people to join us. Each will have their own half-acre to love and protect. Where forests replace fences between neighbors. Where Labrador tea, sweet gale, and twin flower fragrance the air. For people who crave connection with the earth and with something real. For people searching for a peaceful, simple life like us, where your hands get dirty and your hearts get full. Not to just anyone, but to those who hear the whisper of the trees and want to listen. It's not easy letting go. I'm going to miss our home that we built, our garden, the colors, the textures, the way it all comes alive with every season. I'll miss the little birds that raise their young here, the little toad in the garden, the hare who takes shelter under our shrubs out in front of our window when it rains, the buzzing of the bees, the butterflies, and all the little features we've built by hand to make this place feel like a home, not only to us, but for the wildlife who live here. It can be daunting to start over, but we have to say goodbye to our comfort to create something even more meaningful. We will carry every lesson from our little half-acre with us, because they're the foundation of what comes next. It's how we'll honor what we've built, and how we'll keep growing. I know this journey will be filled with challenges, yes, but also, hopefully, joy. So many chances to listen deeper, plant wider, and grow something truly lasting. So we're setting off, not just to escape, but to rediscover, to build again, only bigger, wilder, and hopefully more alive than ever. This is just the beginning, and this land is ready for something more.